Hi there. Today our topic is about case study trading industry. We shall discuss the specific control elements related to trading industry. Let's get started.
In a generic trading industry, it is totally different from the retail industry, where there are outlets and higher turnover of inventory. Specific to trading, purchase orders are placed when there is a corresponding sales order received from customers. Thus, no purchase order is issued when no sales order is received. If not, the money for the purchase of inventory will be locked, and there will be a risk that those inventory will be written off when no customer placed an order on them. Inventory write-off could be significant if the trading company has not negotiated special terms and clauses in contracting with the suppliers in order to protect themselves better in case the customer canceled or changed their order. Trading company is a kind of middleman, and the profit margin may not be high enough to cover any level of inventory write-off. Thus, terms and conditions on PO, contracts with suppliers and customers need to be reviewed by legal advisor so that they are protective enough in case of disagreement and dispute. Other than this, all other general controls applied to trading companies.
Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about case study current business model. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.